I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig. It's giving realism. I'm actually exposing myself, you guys. If you want to find out what I mean by that, continue watching. But I'll tell you why I mean more. Today we're going to be installing this wig two ways. I've never installed a wig like this on my channel. Today's hair sponsor is ILIKEHAIR. I have worked with them in the past, and today what I have installed is an 18-inch glueless kinky straight wig. This wig is for that person who absolutely hates wearing wigs, because you can wear it halfway on your head, you can wear it fully on your head, and it also is in a length and texture that is very realistic to what your natural hair might look like or feel like.
These are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night.
So I'm gonna cut the lace. This time I'm just gonna go straight across because I'm going to be installing this wig behind my hairline. This is the kinky straight. My hair is not kinky straight. My hair is relaxed straight. This is a long story short why my hair is so short now. I used the wrong relaxer and it did me dirty. It did me dirty, guys. I cannot lie, it did me dirty. So this has like a little thing where you can cinch in. Okay, do you see that? It's not like your traditional cap.
Didn't think it existed, no truth.
I am gonna leave some of the hair out in the back, hook it in, and then I'm gonna adjust this little strap. I hooked it in with the hook. I'm gonna go in and tighten that, and then I'm gonna tuck that somewhere in there. Let's pull some hair out. Because we're wearing this behind the hairline, you definitely need to secure those combs. Okay, see, we're pulling some hair out. My hair is very fine. If I had thick hair, this would look so much better. Oh my god, my head looks so big like this, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to blend that area. Just fold it right under. See what I'm doing? I'm making sure I have some hair out. Because my hair is a little thin there, I think I'm gonna go in with some like powder to try to darken that area. So I'm gonna go in with some black eyeshadow, just darken that a little bit. Type of thing. Well, I don't get it. We say it's a man thing. Babe, this look, I'm obviously trying to go for a very realistic look. I'm not trying to do too much. I'm not trying to lay it too flat either, because I think when the wig is like really flat, it doesn't, in this texture, it won't look as natural. And now we want to hide the separation. So I think you should go in with some more of this black and then go right here. See that? It's gonna hide that lace. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter color. It looks like my scalp is actually pretty light. It's looking better, right? Now I'm gonna just detail that. Clean up the part. Yes, I will not be defeated by any wig. So now I'm gonna go in with some Got to Be glue. I've had this glue forever. I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is. Okay guys, this is the first way you can wear this wig, but we aren't done here. We're gonna do a regular install because I want to know if you're someone who doesn't like the wiggy look, would you prefer wearing your wig like this? Would you prefer spending a little bit longer to get it to look more natural? You know what I just realized? I just had a dream. I realized that I had a dream that I found a hairbrush. Isn't that weird? It's just thinking, I'm like, oh, where's that brush? And I realized that it's not a brush. I don't have that brush. It was just a dream. Who dreams of finding a hairbrush? I'm such a weirdo. Remember, we had it in a side part earlier, so now we're just gonna put her in the middle part. And the reason I usually go for a middle part is, one, because it looks the best on me, but also I think it shows the wig a lot better this way. Okay, and this is the final look. This is just with a middle part down, the closure, you know, to the forehead, so no hair showing. The hair feels really soft, does give really natural. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, which style you prefer. Do you prefer this way or do you prefer the first style? Let me know. Anyways guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.